Golden Penny Semovita presents the Golden Penny Soup Festival. Come with your friends and family and enjoy the best of soups with Golden Penny Semovita at the Muri Park on the 7th and 8th of October for the ultimate foodie experience. Experience every taste of Nigerian culture through the soups from different regions with amazing performances from Tenny, Faust, Alternate Sound, and your hosts Kiki and I Go Save. Sit down for masterclasses with Nigeria's top chefs and food influencers such as Kitchen Muse, Gina of Foodies and Spice, Chef Ma, and a host of others, while your kids play safely in the kiddies area. Show off your semovita and soup making skills and win fantastic prizes. Admission to the Golden Penny Soup Festival is free, but make sure to secure your spots by registering at www.gpsoupfestival.com. One parent can register up to 4 kids. Follow G Penny Swallow on Instagram and Golden Penny Semovita on Facebook to stay updated as the festival draws closer. We know you soup lovers can't wait. Come and celebrate your culture and heritage. Register now. Golden Penny Semovita, my soup's first choice.